As Grenada observes Child Month, law enforcement officials are reminding the public of their duty to protect the nation's children by reporting all cases of sexual abuse. Corporal Samika Fare, attached to the Prosecution Department of the Royal Grenada Police Force, issued a strong appeal for citizens to come forward if they are aware of any child being sexually abused. She stressed that protecting children from harm is a shared responsibility that requires community cooperation. The officer explained that reports can be made confidentially to any police station across the island and gave assurance that the law protects individuals who disclose information about such crimes.
Respect to confidentiality. We are expected, and I'm saying the word expected, we are expected to be confidential in accordance with the law. The law do protects you as a person who would have given a tip, for example.
Corporal Fari further warned that failing to report incidents of sexual abuse involving minors is a criminal offense that could result in charges against those who choose not to act.
A child is being abused, then the law is saying you shall report it. Failure to do so, in certain cases, you can be also charged. A parent, especially with sexual abuse. You have to report it, or you could be fined up to $15,000.
Even if it's just a suspicion.
Yes, even if it's because the word says it is likely. That's what the law is saying. Likely to be an offense. Okay. It's not saying you have to prove it beyond a reasonable doubt. Okay. So it's saying once you have reasonable suspicion, and for example, if for whatever reason, I'm saying this because I really want the public to hear about it. Even for example, that suspicion turns out later on the investigation to be not what it is. It's a family member who cares for that child. Then you're also protected under the law. And if your name, for whatever reason, somebody would have said, this person who give us the information to compromise the safety of the person, the informant, then you could be charged up to $50,000
or the person
or 7 years in prison.
Yes.
So you're protected.
The Royal Grenada Police Force is continuing its effort to raise awareness about child protection during Child Month, which highlights the importance of safeguarding the welfare and rights of children across the nation. Authorities continue to encourage parents, guardians, teachers, and community members to stay alert and report any suspected cases of abuse immediately to the nearest police station or through the Child Protection Authority. Shania McIntosh, GBN News.